Hey, what's going on, ladies and gents? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. Hey, let's talk simple Forex trading strategy. Now, listen, simple for people, different things take on simple, but if you want to talk about simple strategies, I want to talk about strategies to where if you're using indicators, some people like to trade with their charts being covered with indicators all over the place, right? Where they're marking up, they're using RSI, Fibonacci, stochastic, all of the different lagging indicators, guys. So many different things, forks and Fibos. It's just all things all over the chart, and I get it. But when I saw stuff like that, it just had me scratching my head. Like, what the heck is happening right now? These are too many moving things for me. So it's simple for me, guys. It doesn't get any simpler to where I just use pretty much support and resistance. That's the strategy I utilize with trading, where I find the highest point of resistance, I find the lowest point of support, and I wait for a move to happen to where if the resistance break and then there is a retest as a floor in the area and it moves back up, I enter into a buy. Then vice versa for a sell, I wait for the floor or support to be broke. It goes back up and retests. I wait for a retest as resistance and then drops back down. I enter into a sell. It's as simple as that. So that's the way I like to trade. And I use some Fibonacci as a second confirmation from time to time. But that's a strategy I've learned through the platform that I utilize from extremely successful Forex trader. And that strategy works great for me. I flip my complete strategy up. I still do some scalping, but I use some tools I'll talk about here in a second for me to scalp. But so I like to consider myself a trend trader, similar, I guess, to an intraday trader, guys. But that's simple for me. That's what I use. So again, simple for other people can be other things, but I don't think it gets any simpler than pretty much using support and resistance. Now, other strategies I use for scalping, I actually use tools through the platform that I utilize. There's a tool that has just been crushing it for me and so many others. New people coming in, guys, where this platform, there's a strategy on this platform to where it's more for scalping, but it's the moving parts to all you're waiting for before you enter into a trade. The cool thing is the indicator gives you a setup, boom. You get an alert to your phone. They're coming back to back because they're scalping. You get alerts on the 5 and 15 minute, some on an hour, and even 4 hour. But 5 and 15 minute primarily, boom, 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 back to back, back to back, back to back. Phone always dinging for an alert that comes in. And when that alert comes in, all I'm looking for is, I don't want to talk too much about the strategy, but all I'm looking for, I'm going to put it to you like this. So I'm looking for two lines. I'm looking if they're for a red line to be above a blue line, or the red line to be below the blue line for a buy or sell. That's all I'm looking for. And if those things are happening, then I can enter into a trade. And why I love this strategy so much is that it is extremely accurate. This week alone, I just started using this strategy, the scalping strategy, this week alone, myself personally. I'm right now, I'm 9 out of 12 of my trades I took with it. So, and the 3 trades that I did lose, I kind of jumped the gun on getting in. I just needed to wait a little bit longer. I think I got in too early. I got in during consolidation and kind of bumped myself out of those, but it's all good. But simple strategy. I love it because with the way my primary trading strategy, with me using my setups, it might take a while for a move to happen. So I might be looking at a specific trade and I might get in it, or it might take a day, even 2 days before I enter into that trade. So I'm catching obviously large amounts of pips and waiting for those moves to happen. But with my scalping strategy, I'm still able to catch, boom, in a day, 50 to 100 pips if I wanted to through using this strategy. And the goal, I'm just going for 10 pips per trade with it, and it was working like gangbusters. Then there's another product that we have to where all the way is for 3 simple things to happen on this trade setup to enter into a trade, waiting for 3 small things to happen, waiting for a trend line to occur, right? Waiting for price, make sure it's a trend, waiting for price to break that trend, and then waiting for a MACD crossover. Simple as that, guys. So those are simple. It doesn't get any simpler than that, other than the products we have to where you're able to copy and paste trade setups. So just want to share that with you. Those are some simple trading strategies. Listen, and if they sound intriguing to you, if it's something you want to learn more about through the platform I utilize, go ahead and go to tradewiththeirs.com or simply click the link below this video and it will take you to a video which you will learn more about the platform that I utilize. And then from there, I'll be able to show you more about the strategies that I'm taking advantage of. All right, guys. And I actually also have a free Forex group where I share results from these strategies amongst other things. And if you want to hop into that group, all you have to do is go to fb.tradewiththeirs.com. I'll add you to the group and I'll be more than happy to share you the strategies and results that we're getting through our platform. People are just crushing it. So many success stories, so many testimonials, people having success through this platform. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope you got some value from this. If so, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Want to hear more from me? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you want to be alerted when I drop fresh content, click the bell button up above and you will be notified. All right, so with that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Take care and have a great day.